Gun store counters across America are seeing a strange pattern right now. High-end custom pistols priced over $3,000 are selling out right alongside budget defensive handguns under $400. Standard carry guns are sitting on shelves while 10 specific models disappear almost immediately. The reason comes down to a few major design changes that solve the biggest problems concealed carriers have complained about for years, starting with the latest option that brings true chassis modularity to everyday carry. Number 10. Taurus TX9 Subcompact. Bringing a fully modular chassis system to a striker-fired 9mm lineup creates huge advantages for everyday carriers. This subcompact variant is built specifically for deep concealment, but its biggest secret sits inside the frame. Inside of the polymer grip frame acting as the registered firearm, the internal steel fire control unit carries the serial number. That modular setup means you can easily swap out grip modules, frame colors, and grip sizes without having to buy an entirely new gun. The frame features aggressive texturing across the sides and front strap, giving your hands maximum traction during fast strings of fire, even if your palm is wet or sweaty. Up top, the slide comes factory cut for micro red dots, letting you mount an optic right out of the box. Smaller handguns often struggle with snappy recoil, but the ergonomic contours help distribute force directly back into your hand rather than snapping upward. Because it delivers true chassis versatility, solid capacity, and optic capability at a price point that stays friendly on your wallet, it is quickly becoming a budget-friendly powerhouse for personal protection. Number 9. FN309 MRD. Bridging the gap between ultra-tiny micro-compacts and full-size duty handguns is a tough mechanical challenge, but this compact 9mm nails the balance. Instead of using a standard striker-fired design like most modern defensive handguns, it uses an internal hammer-fired single-action system. That single-action trigger delivers a remarkably crisp break right around 5 pounds, giving you a clean release and a quick, positive tactile reset that helps with accurate shot placement. Racking the slide on a compact 9mm can be difficult for many shooters, especially under stress or with limited hand strength. To fix that, the slide assembly is engineered for fast racking, requiring noticeably less effort to pull back and chamber around. The top of the slide features direct mount optic support, allowing your red dot sight to attach directly without extra adapter plates, keeping the dot low to the bore line. On top of that, it packs impressive firepower with standard flush magazines holding 16 rounds and extended magazine options pushing total capacity up to 21 rounds. Number 8. Charter Arms Walker Revolver Series. Not every concealed carrier wants a semi-automatic pistol, which is why this ultra-compact rimfire wheel gun created such a massive stir upon release. The series revives the classic deep concealment pocket revolver, chambering it in both .22 long rifle and .22 Winchester Magnum rimfire. By utilizing a high-strength aluminum frame, the total weight stays right at 15 ounces, making it light enough to drop into a jacket pocket or ankle holster without dragging down your clothing. Traditional sub-nose revolvers usually limit you to 5 shots, but this cylinder holds 8 rounds, giving you extra defensive capability. The hammer is completely shrouded within the frame, giving you a smooth, snag-free exterior profile. That enclosed hammer design means you can draw the revolver cleanly out of a pocket or deep concealment holster without the hammer spur catching on fabric. For shooters who are sensitive to heavy centerfire recoil or anyone needing an ultralight backup firearm, this low recoil rimfire option delivers effortless, snag-free protection. Number 7. Bersa BP9C Gen 2. Taking a popular budget single-stack pistol and completely overhauling it for modern demands turned this model into an immediate seller. The second-generation design updates the original platform by completely redesigning the internal striker-fired chassis. That updated chassis gives the trigger a cleaner, shorter pull with a much sharper reset, making rapid follow-up shots feel far more controlled than on older budget models. The slide receives a major upgrade with a factory RMSC optics footprint cut right into the steel. The iron sights are dovetail cut to match standard Glock sight profiles, opening up a massive aftermarket of night sights and fiber optics if you want to swap them later. Previous single-stack carry guns were limited by low magazine counts, but this updated version introduces double-stack options with 10, 13, and 15-round magazines. With a real-world street price staying well under $450, it offers red dot capability, flexible capacity, and high reliability without requiring a massive financial investment. Number 6. Taurus 22 TUC Threaded Barrel. Solving mechanical operation barriers is the core strength of this micro-compact rimfire pistol. While it originally launched as a standard pocket gun, addition, the updated version includes a 3.1-inch factory-threaded barrel. Its most famous feature remains the clever tip-up barrel design. By pushing a small release lever on the frame, the barrel tilts upward, allowing you to load a cartridge directly into the chamber without pulling the slide back at all. The tip-up mechanism makes loading and unloading exceptionally simple for individuals with arthritis, hand injuries, or weak grip strength. The double-action only trigger provides a long, smooth pull for consistent safety and pocket carry, while holding 9 rounds in the magazine plus 1 in the chamber. The addition of factory muzzle threads opens up easy attachment for suppressors or compensators, turning this tiny 22 long rifle pocket gun into a whisper-quiet training tool or a low-recoil defensive option that routinely sells out as soon as shipments arrive. If this breakdown is helping you find your next carry setup, take a quick second to subscribe to Guns You Can't Live Without. We keep you updated on the newest gear that actually works. Number 5. Heckler & Koch VP9CC. Handgun fans waited years for this release, and the German manufacturer delivered a no-compromise micro-compact. It translates the famous ergonomics and soft-shooting geometry of the full-size VP9 into a tiny footprint that vanishes under a plain t-shirt. The grip texturing provides firm traction without feeling like sandpaper against your body when carried inside the waistband. To ensure the gun fits virtually any hand size, it ships with 6 interchangeable back straps that let you adjust the overall trigger reach. Getting your finger placed correctly on the trigger shoe improves shot consistency and prevents pull shots to the left or right. It maintains the classic ambidextrous paddle magazine release on the trigger guard, allowing rapid magazine swaps using your trigger finger or thumb. Up top, the slide is factory cut to accept modern closed emitter red dots, protecting the emitter lens from dust, body lint, and rain during daily waistband carry. Number 4. Springfield Echelon 4.0 FC. Combining duty-grade recoil control with a concealed carry slide length produced one of the most practical crossover handguns available. Built around a serialized internal chassis known as the Central Operating Group, the firing mechanism can be removed and swapped into different frame modules. This crossover set up pairs of compact 4-inch slide assembly with a full-size grip frame. The full-size grip frame provides a flush-fit magazine capacity of 17 rounds, giving your pinky finger complete purchase on the grip for maximum recoil control. The 4-inch barrel keeps the slide short enough to prevent uncomfortable poking into your leg when carrying appendix inside the waistband. The top of the slide uses the variable interface system, which features self-locking mounting pins. The direct mount design lets you attach over 30 different optics directly to the steel slide without adapter plates, keeping the optic low for intuitive target acquisition. Number 3. CZ Shadow 2 Carry. Adapting a world-class competition pistol into an appendix carry gun requires precision engineering, and this model sets a new standard for hammer-fired handguns. Taking the proven architecture of competition shadow models, the carry version removes the manual safety lever and replaces it with an ambidextrous decocker. That decocking lever lets you safely lower the hammer over a live chamber, giving you a deliberate double-action pull for your first shot followed by light single-action follow-up shots. The steel frame adds extra mass right where you need it, absorbing felt recoil and keeping the muzzle flat during rapid-fire sequences. It features a 4-inch barrel, holds 15 rounds in the flush-fit magazine, and uses a precision direct mount footprint cut specifically for compact K-series red dots. For shooters who prefer the safety and control over traditional hammer-fired action over a striker, it represents the absolute benchmark for daily concealed carry performance. Number 2. Staccato HD C4X. Engineered in direct collaboration with elite law enforcement, this firearm shrinks custom race gun performance into a package built specifically for personal defense. It takes the single-action double-stack 2011 design and optimizes it for daily carry. The 4-inch barrel features an integrated expansion chamber compensator built straight into the front of the slide and barrel assembly. That integrated compensator directs burning powder gases upward, pushing the muzzle down and eliminating muzzle flips so you can place shot after shot into the exact same spot. An alloy frame keeps the overall weight manageable on your carry belt, while the crisp single-action trigger offers a light, straight-pull brake. In a huge practical shift for high-end 2011 pistols, it feeds reliably from common 15-round Glock pattern magazines. That cross-platform magazine compatibility makes finding extra magazines affordable and easy. Even with a high-end price tag hovering around $3,500, demand far exceeds supply because few handguns can match its flat shooting speed and refined mechanical feel. Number 1. Glock 19 Gen 6. Updating the most widely used concealed carry handgun in the world is no simple task, but the Generation 6 iteration delivers fixes for almost every major owner complaint. The revised polymer frame introduces significantly improved ergonomics, featuring a much deeper undercut beneath the rear of the trigger guard. That deeper undercut allows your hand to sit higher on the frame while completely eliminating the painful rubbing point known as Glock knuckle. The frame includes dual ambidextrous slide stop levers for seamless operation with either hand, along with an integrated thumb ledge angled into the frame. That gas paddle style thumb pad gives your support hand direct mechanical leverage to push down against recoil, keeping the sights on target. Most importantly, the slide replaces the older MOS adapter plate setup with a direct optic mounting cut milled straight into the steel slide. Eliminating adapter plates creates a far more durable connection and lets iron sights co-witness cleanly, cementing this model as the ultimate benchmark for modern carry guns. Subscribe to Guns You Can't Live Without for more real-world gun reviews.